Hey friends, welcome to Adulting with Esther, the show where we talk about the things that you don't learn in school. I'm your host Esther, and today we're going to be talking about the 7 things that you need to know to be able to sew by hand. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing down below so that you can get alerts when we post our videos on Tuesdays, and go ahead and hit that like button if you're getting value out of this video so far. If at any point during the video you want to check out the description below, you'll be able to find links to things like the products I'm using here and links to other resources to help you out. And finally, number 7, what we've all been waiting for, how to tie off your projects so they don't get unraveled. I go through as if I was going to make a stitch. Got a big loop here. And I go through the loop once and twice, and I give it a good yank. And I do it one more time. I'm going to make a stitch. Got a big loop, and I go through it once, twice. And I pull nice and tight and give it a good clip. Okay, we did it. We made it through all of this, and way to go. Good for you. If you got value out of this video, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you know when we post our next videos. If you need any of these materials like needles, thread, any of that, you can check the description down below for links to the products so that you can get them for yourself and become your own self-sufficient adult that knows how to sew. We talked about how to thread a needle, how to knot it off, and all the tools you need to be a successful sewer. We talked about the different stitches that you're able to make and how to hem something. We talked about how to close a hole and how you can sew a button on your favorite shirt when it busts off. And then we even talked about how to patch a big hole and bind off your stitches so that they don't ravel up and all your hard work goes to waste. I hope you had a great time learning how to sew today. I know I had a great time working with you. Good luck, and let me know what you're sewing down below in the comments so that we can celebrate your victories together. Bye guys.
On the 7th day of sewing, Esther gave to me a knot that will stay securely. Jeans without crotchels, 1 working button, 8 mended hole, shorter length pants, 2 basic stitches, and a brand new